viewers, and welcome to Harmless TV News. Yeah, my people, another one has happened again, in Nigeria, Imo State, precisely. A 31-year-old man identified as Chijioke Chukwuelota from Imo State but reside at Uragua village, Nnewi, lured his ex-girlfriend and also stolen her twin babies, who he sold for 150,000 naira. Chukwuelota impregnated his former girlfriend and abandoned her. But when he received the news that she had been delivered of a set of twins, he invited her and the 2-month-old babies. He later stole the babies from their mother and sold them to a 31-year-old woman, Tina Ibato, in Imo State. According to a source, he had the plan of stealing the babies before he invited his ex-girlfriend. Anyway, only God knows what he used to deceive the ex-girlfriend and make her to come with her 2 sets of twins. But let's not forget that the country is in poverty. Poverty is the real sickness that is killing Africans, especially Nigerians. Because you can imagine what will make this kind of man to go and sell his 2 babies, 2 months old, just for nothing, out of wickedness and poverty. That is the problem of Africa. That is the problem of Nigeria precisely. And let's not forget that this particular thing is happening in only and especially particularly in Igbo side. In Igbo side, they have been selling a lot of babies, impregnating women, keeping them for sale, child trafficking here and there. Please let the Igbos stop this kind of their trade. It's so bad. And this poor woman, she delivered through cesarean section, through operation, C-section. So you can imagine that a lady that feel all that kind of pain, at last, she will not find her children to carry. It's so bad and so touching. According to the ex-girlfriend, she said she was with her children in that house, in the place where Chijioke invited her. But at a moment, she couldn't find her children. She went inside the room, outside, helter-skelter. She ran everywhere. But she couldn't find her children, neither in the parlor nor anywhere. So she had to involve the police, which the police came in. Then when the police came in and they tried to interrogate Chijioke, then for Chijioke seeing the eyes of the police, then he started panicking and explained everything. How he stole the children and go and sell it for 150,000 naira. Only 150,000 naira for a set of twins. Nigeria is a zoo country. Mamma mia, 150,000 naira for 2 children. Naija, hey, the poverty there, I don't know what I will call it again. Only God help me. Mamma mia, this is so touching, you know. It's so touching. And many men, they don't even know the pains that women bear when they are giving birth to their children. They don't know. Some of our women have to stop trusting all these kind of demonic men. When they abandoned you the first time, they reject the child. Try to take care of your child, please. Stop asking for them because they cannot help you. They will just have only the evil minds, evil things to think. Rather, either to kill the child from you or to sell the child to other people. And it's so bad. This is called wickedness in the highest level. And I don't even know what you people are doing with all these children that you are stealing, you are selling. I don't know what you are doing with them. Blood money everywhere. Please, free the life of innocent children. Please, I beg you people, I beg you. This is not what you are praying in Biafra land, though. This is not what we want in Biafra land. Please stop. Stop selling innocent lives. They are not crayfish. Look at how you people are selling children here and there. Selling pregnant women in Igbo lands. Everywhere, every day, the same story you will hear from these people. What is wrong with you people? What is wrong in Igbo lands? Why can't you make genuine money without blood money? Many of you know how to do business. Many of you started hustling right from childhood. You started selling things. You started doing markets right from childhood. Why can't you continue with your hard work? Why can't you continue? Then God will later bless you. Don't be in a hurry to use innocent lives for blood money. Please, you all have to stop it. The other time is a lot of girls packed in one house. You impregnated all the whole girls, promising them 100,000 naira, 200,000 naira. For what? For human being life. After the done, you will still kill all these children for nothing. What are you using those money for? All this money, what are you using them for? All is vanity upon vanity. Nigeria is still in darkness. They are still in depressed. They are still in shame, in poverty, upon all this money that you people have been getting from up and downs, from evil ways, evil minds. Betraying your fellow brothers and sisters because of money, because of useless money. What will you gain to save your own child, your own blood? Your own blood as a man. Maybe tomorrow now you will not get the opportunity to have another child. This will be your only family, your only relation in this earth, but you have sold them for 150,000 naira. What will you gain from there? If you got old, who is going to take care of you when you get old? Who is going to be there for you? Who is going to call you father? Why are you people being so wicked and heartless? This is so sad. I beg you all, my fellow Biafrans, stop all this evil art. It's not going to lead you to anywhere. Please, reject the evil handwork of devil. Reject them when they ask for blood. Please, when they ask for innocent lives, reject them. All this will just take you all to hellfire and nowhere else. It's so bad and touching. If you don't want the girl and the baby and the children, you should have let her go. Let her go. If you cannot take care of her, tell her, let her be. She will find her somewhere instead of you selling the children to another woman. And this one is somebody that still call herself a mother. She will open her eyes to pay for another one. Oh God. Pay for another baby's life that is not hers. Causing pain into another woman's life. A woman like you, a lady like you, a mother like you. You people have wicked mind, eh? You people, your minds are at your back, not even at your front, really. The ways you people do things sometimes, I don't know what to call you. If I will call you people animals, or I will call you human being, only God just bear me witness. Because what you are doing is not the art of humans. You are doing an art of animals. And you have to be called so. Stop behaving this way like animals, please. Enough is enough. For all these kind of evil things. Not even up to 400 euros. 300 and something euros. For 2 children. What a mess. What a shame to a black man. What a shame. Black life matters indeed. Is this how the black life matters to you all? Betraying your fellow sisters and brothers? Killing your own children? How did your life matters? You people are so shameful. May God in heaven suck off all your brains. You will not even get life to even respirate at all. God. I don't even know how to express this anymore. In short, I'm short of words. It's so barbaric. There is no way that we can explain this. No way at all. So if not that the police have been involved now, this is how you just keep quiet, or you will be complaining, they kidnapped my children, they stole my children, whereas you are the one that did it. You deceived the innocent girl that suffered, a lady that you abandoned for so many months before she gave birth to her children. You deceived her to your place and stole her children. The spokesperson for Anambra State Police Command, SP, said that the suspect has been arrested, including Ibato, who bought the babies, while the babies have been also retrieved. The babies were stolen on the 4th of August 2020 after she gave birth to them through a cesarean section. You can imagine, through operation. With all this pain, even her pain is not even healed already. Just 2 months back, you still have the mind to do this to that lady. God. People are so heartless. Anyway, we thank God so much that the babies were safe and sound. Nothing harmed them. God just hear your prayer, Chidoke. Had it been anything happen to these children by now, your head, we could have cut your head off by now. Very useless animal. Useless human being indeed. Look at the way he is. Very dirty pig. Please, my viewers, I'm very sorry for the insult. You know, sometimes this is the way I behave when I got annoyed over evil minds. You understand? So please don't bother yourself for that, because they deserve the insult at least. This is the way I am, okay? Bye for now, and thank you all for watching.
It's Melody Song.